Imagine a world where you can experience a cleaner, more hygienic, and environmentally friendly way of cleaning up after using the restroom. That's exactly what handheld toilet bidets offer. In this video, we'll discuss the advantages of using a handheld toilet bidet compared to traditional toilet paper, and how easy they are to install in homes, offices, public places like airports and shopping malls, as well as hospitals and anywhere else people need to feel clean after going to the toilet. The amount of toilet paper consumed by the average consumer in 1 year can vary depending on various factors such as personal habits, family size, and cultural differences. However, on average, an individual in the United States uses around 141 rolls of toilet paper per year, which is equivalent to approximately 20,000 sheets of toilet paper. This number may differ for other countries or regions. First, let's talk about hygiene. Handheld toilet bidets provide a gentle stream of water to clean your private areas, ensuring a thorough and efficient clean. This reduces the risk of irritation and infection, which can sometimes occur from using toilet paper. With a handheld bidet, you'll feel fresher and cleaner every time you use the bathroom. Now, let's consider the environmental aspect. The production of toilet paper requires a significant amount of water, energy, and trees. By using a handheld bidet, you'll be reducing your carbon footprint and contributing to the conservation of natural resources. Plus, you'll also save money in the long run by cutting down on your toilet paper consumption. But what about installation? You might think that incorporating a handheld bidet into your bathroom would be a complicated process. However, the truth is that it's quite simple. Most handheld bidets can be easily attached to your existing toilet without the need for professional assistance. This means that anyone, from a housewife to a plumber, can install a handheld bidet in no time. For hospitals, handheld bidets offer additional benefits. They promote better hygiene for patients, especially those with limited mobility or who require assistance when using the restroom. This can help prevent the spread of infections and improve overall patient care. Plus, the easy installation process means that hospitals can quickly implement handheld bidets in their facilities. In conclusion, handheld toilet bidets are a game changer in the world of bathroom hygiene. They offer a more efficient, eco-friendly, and cost-effective alternative to traditional toilet paper. With easy installation and numerous benefits for various users, it's time to consider making the switch to a handheld bidet.